Well, be enough to capture this monster.
Hopefully.
We'll find out. Alright, that was so much easier.
Alright.
I think I accidentally KO'd him one time, and then the second attempt's when I captured him.
Gonna get this epic history stuff recorded.
Yeah.
Alright.
The very definition of epic history.
Gosh.
Bah! That's what I say. Can't even speak coherent sentences. Hey, my phone's doing.
There it is. It's a little bull.
Gas, be paralyzed me, whatever shall I do? I'll Pokeball.
Technically, he paralyzed your Pokemon, not you.
You know what? Shut up.
No, I will not shut up.
You should.
I'm good.
And
You should
please don't.
catch this Pokemon.
I am trying to catch the damn Pokemon, so let me just
Catch it better.
Hey, you know what? Shut up. I'd say you try and catch it with my luck. I'd give you the controller and you catch it with one frickin' ball.
Wanna try it?
No. I've never had this much trouble with frickin' Zapdos before. Oh my god, thank you! Ah, finally!
Holy crap, took long enough.
Right?
Jeez. Freaking Zapdos.